Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about a very commonly prescribed medicine for heart and blood pressure problems called norvasc 5-ml tablet. This tablet contains the active ingredient amlodipine, which belongs to a group of medicines known as calcium channel blockers. Let's first understand how norvasc 5-ml works. In our body, calcium plays an important role in the contraction of blood vessels. When too much calcium enters the cells of the blood vessels, they become narrow and stiff. This increases blood pressure and puts extra strain on the heart. Norvasc works by relaxing and widening the blood vessels, which improves blood flow and reduces blood pressure. This makes it easier for the heart to pump blood throughout the body. Now let's talk about the uses of norvasc 5 mg tablet. Doctors prescribe it for high blood pressure, hypertension, to reduce the risk of stroke, heart attack, and kidney damage, angina, chest pain caused by reduced blood supply to the heart, coronary artery disease. It may also be used in combination with other heart and blood pressure medicines for better control. The dosage of norvasc 5 mg depends on the patient's age, condition, and response to treatment. The usual starting dose is 5 mg once daily, and in some cases, it may be increased to 10 mg per day. It should be taken at the same time each day with or without food. The tablet should be swallowed whole with water. Now let's discuss the benefits of norvasc 5 ml tablet. It lowers high blood pressure, protecting the heart, brain, and kidneys. It prevents chest pain and reduces the frequency of angina attacks. It improves exercise tolerance in heart patients. It reduces the long-term risk of heart attack, stroke, and heart failure. It is convenient as it is usually taken once daily. But like all medicines, norvasc can also cause some side effects. Common ones include swelling of ankles or feet, edema, headache, dizziness, flushing or warmth, fatigue, nausea. These are usually mild and temporary. However, in rare cases, serious side effects may occur, such as severe low blood pressure, irregular heartbeat, fainting, severe allergic reaction with rash, itching, or swelling. If any of these serious side effects occur, medical attention should be sought immediately. Now let's discuss some important precautions. Norvasc should not be used without a doctor's prescription. Patients with liver disease, heart failure, or very low blood pressure should use it cautiously. Alcohol should be avoided as it can increase dizziness or drowsiness. Do not stop taking this medicine suddenly, even if you feel fine, because high blood pressure often has no symptoms but can still damage the body. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should only take it if prescribed by their doctor. To summarize, norvasc 5 ml tablet amlodipine is an effective medicine for high blood pressure and chest pain. It relaxes blood vessels, improves blood flow, and reduces the risk of heart complications. However, it should only be taken under medical supervision with regular monitoring and lifestyle changes like a healthy diet, exercise, and avoiding smoking. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more detailed videos about medicines and healthcare.